Hello, I am at a gorgeous model home in Starkey Ranch. This is the Taylor Morrison Tortola model home. It has 3,461 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and it's currently priced from the mid 450s. Let's go check it out. So this is walking in. It really has a beautiful grand entryway. As you can see, this grand staircase with shiplap, vertical shiplap going all the way up, and a gorgeous chandelier up there as well. This is a secondary bedroom, but you can see they have set up more as an office space down here. But it does have its own bathroom. And they put in a walk-in shower in this model home. And then walking into the home, it has this really nice open living area. And they put a ton of detail and woodwork into this home. It's just beautiful. So they have more shiplap on this wall. And then tray ceilings, double tray ceilings, I should say, with crown molding. And then just a beautiful kitchen. I wanted to show you, there's some additional cabinets right here that they put into this model. I love the glass cabinets with the lighting and the under cabinet lighting. There's also a little wine fridge here. You have a nice big center island with the pendant lights. Built-in appliances. Gas range. Farmhouse sink. And then there's also a dining area back here. One of my favorite things is these sliding glass doors. They actually meet in the middle at a V. So you can open these sliding glass doors all the way back and really get that indoor-outdoor living that everyone wants in Florida. And then back here is the master bedroom. And this master bath is enormous. Lots of space here. You can see that there's 2 different vanities. His and hers. And then there's a walk-in shower back here. They have a frameless enclosure. And then there's 2 closets. So this is one walk-in closet here. Another one here. This one's a little bit bigger. This is the beautiful upstairs. You can see that they still have this beautiful iron stair railing up here. This is one of the secondary bedrooms. As you can see, it has its own bathroom with a shower tub combination. Another secondary bedroom. This is the other bathroom. This one has double sinks. And then here is a bonus room. Put in a pretty tray ceiling. And I love how this model home has cabinets up here and a little mini fridge. So this is the beautiful outdoor space. As you can see, they have a gorgeous swimming pool. I love the screen enclosure back here. It has it so there's no vertical bars, so that really helps preserve that gorgeous view out back. This is a really nice sized deck space, and then you also have a covered area over here. And then there's an outdoor kitchen as well. I really hope you enjoyed this home tour of this beautiful model home. If I can answer any questions for you, please don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Jillian Jamison, and I'm with the Jamison team at Whitfield Real Estate, and I am opening the door to your next home.